So just to confirm, you want to start 177 and work at block altitude north.
There's a lot of masking since we're so much lower than it, so we have to stay a little away. But intermittent all the way throughout these turns.
Package, rank 1, state, Charlie, Zulu, 535, bullseye, 011, 15, 64,000, heading 140, right. Hey, we're going to need you to back us up because we don't have a high fidelity line on the coastline. Looking for you to provide 6 miles net call when you are observing the COI at 6 nautical miles. This is an amendment to the game plan based on the limited ability for Eagle 1 to point for rank 1. Eagle 1 will just marshal and commit north in a trail of rank 1. We'll still establish role rank shooter, Eagle support, but it'll help geometry to help point 100, rank 1, Charlie, Zulu, 535, bullseye, 050, 15, 64,000, track, rank 1 is proceeding, outbound, copy restriction, restate, COI 1, Charlie, Zulu, 535, bullseye, 050, 15, heading, 140, left, Eagle, support, Angels as desired, point, COI 1, Charlie, Zulu, 5. Attack heading 140, profile, 1.3 Mach, climbing, 50K delivery, 5 miles. Rank 1, black 1. That is a Cape kill. The balloon is completely standing. Rank 1.
The one that Steve wants to hear is the metal chaff cloud, so I guess like metal breaking apart and screwing for an
Rank 1.